This is a production of WTVI PBS Charlotte.
Owls need a place to live, of course, just like all of us. Owls need more help than ever because a lot of their habitat gets cut down in terms of development of houses and parking lots. And in Mecklenburg County, so there are probably 3 species of owls that are doing reasonably well. The barred owl, the eastern screech owl, and the great horned owl. Their populations are probably reasonably stable. There's one type of owl that we rarely see in Mecklenburg County, and that's definitely because of the habitat that's lacking. That's the barn owl. They need open fields, orchards, just wide open habitat, and that's becoming very sparse in Mecklenburg County.
I'm helping build barn owl boxes. I've built smaller birdhouses before, but I haven't built these big ones.
Thought it would be a great idea and a great experience for me and my daughter. First step is unpackaging it all, and then you have to have the glue. She's learning how to use tools she hasn't used before, and mommy to have patience with her for doing it, but fun.
This box is particularly for a particular kind of owl called the barn owl. This hole right here is the right size for a barn owl to go in, but it's small enough that hopefully a full-size raccoon cannot get in, because that's a predator for the babies. They're going to be back here in this back corner.
So the barn owl's habitat has been squeezed out to the perimeter of Mecklenburg County. So where those perimeters are, we're going to have these nest boxes set up with the help of both Mecklenburg County Park and Rec and Catawba Lands Conservancy to give them more opportunities to raise a family and continue their species in Mecklenburg County. Now the screech owl is a different story. They can live anywhere in the city limits. The concern we have for those is that the screech owl, being such a small owl, is also a meal for the larger owls, like the barred owl.
They all play a very important part in determining, how good the environment is, how healthy it is. So if you take away the top predators, like the owls and the hawks, then you're going to have problems with other animals taking over. They're not controlled to some extent. It starts with something as relatively simple as putting up a nest box potentially for the right species. So it kind of depends on what habitat they have in their yard, and you'd be surprised to see how many owls actually live in Mecklenburg County, right in people's backyards, and many people don't even realize it.